Hello everybody, this is Jeff at Etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the Gen-Y Torsion 2-ball mount with the stacked receivers for a 2-inch hitch. It has a 16,000 pound gross towing weight capacity. Now this is an adjustable ball mount. This will let you hook up your trailer to your tow vehicle. The solid shank right here is what will slide into your 2-inch hitch receiver that's on your vehicle. And up front you'll have a choice of either a 2 5/16 diameter ball, or if you flip it over, a 2-inch diameter ball. These will provide the connection points for your trailer coupler. Now also on this part, what's nice is it includes this Pinto lock accessory, and when this is paired with the larger 2 5/16 ball, it'll provide a connection point for your Lunette ring coupler. And a Lunette ring coupler is used on a lot of heavy duty trailers. It's just a large ring on the front, and it's designed to drop over the ball to make the connection. And what's nice is this Pinto lock will slide over it to keep that Lunette ring over the ball, keep it from disconnecting. I did want to pop up an insert just to show you. There's an example of a Lunette ring coupler that's on this ball, and you can see the Pinto lock over it holding it in place. And the way you would operate that to make your connection is just go ahead and pull your clip, pull your pin, slide that out of the way, then go ahead and drop your Lunette ring coupler over the ball. Once it drops over there, then just slide this out over the Lunette ring, line up your hole, slide your pin through, put in your clip, and that'll lock it into place. And again, it keeps that Lunette ring from coming off the ball. Now if you're not using it with the Lunette ring coupler, you can use it with just a regular trailer coupler. What you can do is slide this back out of the way and then store it in the shank. There's another hole you can put this pin through and clip it, and that'll hold it in the stowed position. Now you can use it with the regular trailer coupler. Now the capacity on this ball mount will be determined by the ball size you use. So if you use the larger 2 5/16 diameter ball, gross towing weight capacity is 16,000 pounds, maximum tongue weight of 1,700 pounds. If you flip this over and use the 2-inch diameter ball, gross towing weight capacity of 12,000 pounds, tongue weight capacity of 1,500 pounds. If you notice, it does have the 6 stacked 2-inch receivers. This will accept the included ball mount and Pinto lock, as well as other hitch mounted accessories. It does come with 2 of these 5/8" diameter stainless steel pins and clips. These are included to secure the ball mount to the shank, the Pinto lock to the shank. And one of the neat features on this I wanted to mention was this twist clip design they use on the clip of the pin. What's nice about that, it makes it so much easier than your standard clips where they have just the straight pins on them. You try to push it in, it's hard to do, and try to take it out, it's hard. This one with the twist design, you can see when you go to remove it, you just twist it and it comes right out. Slide your pin out. And then when you go to install it the same way, you just put that on the hole, push it, and it'll twist right into place. Very easy to install or remove. Now this does offer you adjustable height. This will let you tow trailers of different heights with the same vehicle. Works well if you have a lifted truck. The ball mount right here can be raised or lowered to match your application. Now if you do put this ball mount in the lowest position, like it is now in the drop position, the maximum drop it'll give you is 10 inches. If you flip the shank over in the rise position, put this in the highest maximum rise position, it'll get you a 10-inch rise. And just to show you, if you want to flip this over and use the different size ball, again what you can do is take your clip, go ahead and remove your clip, slide out your pin. That'll release the ball mount, slide your 2-ball mount, flip it over. You want to use the smaller one. And again, you could put it in whatever receiver opening you want. I'm just going to put it right back in the same spot. Slide it into place. Put your pin all the way through. And again, go ahead and clip it. And there you go. Now you're in a position to use the smaller 2-inch ball. And again, you can put it in whatever height you want. Now this does use a shock absorbing design, ensures a nice smooth steady ride. The technology right here and down here functions like a torsion axle, limits the transfer of any road shock from the trailer to the vehicle and vice versa. And what's nice about this, there's no airbags to maintain, and it has fewer moving parts to repair or replace than with some of the other shock absorbing solutions that are out there. Also a nice unique feature on this, I'm going to zoom in on that. But if you notice here on one of the arms, it has this tongue weight scale that's built in to help you balance your trailer. Basically, the built-in mechanical tongue weight scale lets you know if your load needs to be adjusted even before you tow. If you notice at the top, there's a small red area. That smaller red area indicates minimum tongue weight, which is 0 pounds. If you look at the bottom, you'll see the larger red area. That larger red area indicates the maximum tongue weight, which on this is 1,700 pounds. So what you want is this white indicator line here in that green area. That green area is the ideal working tongue weight, is 1,000 to 1,700 pounds. So that's where you want that mark to be. This is a nice heavy-duty steel construction. Has a nice zinc primer and then a powder coat finish to help resist corrosion. Now when you do install this into your hitch, it does require a hitch pin and clip or a hitch lock for securing that hitch receiver. Those items are not included. We do sell those separately on our website. And these hitch pin hole diameters are 5/8 of an inch. This is SAE J684 certified. It is made in the USA. Application, again we mentioned, is 2-inch by 2-inch trailer hitch receivers. And one last thing I do want to mention is this ball mount has many different dimensions to it. So I will recommend for you to go to the product page of this part number and you can verify any dimension that you might need for your application. We do have a picture of this on the product page with all the dimensions put on it. But that should do it for the review on the Gen-Y Torsion 2 ball mount with the stacked receivers for a 2-inch hitch. Has a 16,000 pound gross towing weight capacity.